Well, it looks to me as if the lorry's overturned.
Hiya.
What's in the boxes?
Watermelon. Every single box has watermelon in it.
Yeah, all the kids are eating watermelon over there, making the most of it, I think.
Is it orange? I feel like if anyone was hot, they would have gone.
Yeah. I think they probably would have been going pretty slow.
Yeah.
Maybe. Like, they wouldn't have been going like, they'd probably only been doing like 10, 15 miles an hour and it's just gone wrong.
Look at how many people are helping. I also think this must have happened a long time ago because we have only seen like a few lorries and cars go past us, and there's only about 8 lorries behind us.
Well, how many lorries are behind us now? How many cars?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7 cars.
8.
And then this has been stacked perfectly.
Yeah.
So this has been,
Hours.
wow.
So much watermelon. I just don't know how they're going to get it up off the road.
Don't know. No idea.
Been here for an hour and a half.
Have we?
What, do you think it seems less or more?
Huh?
More or less?
There we go.
Phonsavan?
I think so.
Yay! And here comes our minibus. That was actually quite a lot shorter time than I thought it was going to be. There's 2 and I have no idea which one it is. I think it's the white one, isn't it? We're walking up now to get back on the bus that has driven off.
It's like a watermelon bloodbath.
Yeah, very interesting experience. Probably one that won't ever happen again.
Well, say that.
Yeah, we were chatting to a guy who said it happens every 2 weeks here.
I
Like
said
a
it
lorry
happened every
turns
month.
over. Yeah, I said once a year. But he confirmed every 2 weeks a lorry turns over on this road because the roads are so bad. So it's quite a usual thing for everybody else, but not for us. Anyway, back on the bus and to, where are we going?
Phonsavan.
Phonsavan.